In today's video, we're going to be testing the super washing soda up against the borax. Hey y'all, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be cleaning our old dish towels and washcloths, just like our grandparents used to do. Back when they needed new, they didn't have the money to go out and buy them all the time. She had to clean what she had using what she had on her shelf. So in today's video, we're going to be comparing the super washing soda against the borax. And we're going to boil them. We're going to boil our dishcloths and each product to see which one gets the cleanest. Is it better than the washing soda we done a while back? Let's see. Today we're testing to see if super washing soda can do a better job than baking soda to clean your dish rags. And we're also going to be testing borax. We're going to go ahead and cut that on and let that water start to come to a boil before we add our two products to each pot. Now what I'm going to do is divide my rags up. I picked out some of the worst ones that look real dingy, and you can tell they've got like a buildup in them. But they're still good little towels and even washcloths. This is still almost like a brand new washcloth. It's just stained. So I'm going to see if I can get it clean today. Now that the water's heating up and it's almost to a boiling point, we're going to go ahead and we're going to add a cup of the washing soda in the one on the left and a cup of borax in the one on the right. Now we've already tested baking soda, but today we're going to see if washing soda can do a better job, or either the borax. Which one gets our dish towels the cleanest? We're going to give it a try today. So right here we have our washing soda. Now when you go to put it in there, be real careful because it could boil over. Now that one is your super washing soda. And now we're going to measure out 1 cup of the borax. So now we're going to add the borax to the pot on the right. I'm going to give both of them a little mix. And you can see and hear that it is getting hot. I'm actually going to cut this one down because I don't want it to boil over. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to add our washcloths to our boiling pots. We're going to put a washcloth in this one and in this one. And then we have a towel and a white towel for each one. And then 2 more washcloths. And now I'm just going to put them down in there. Now if you're trying to do a bigger batch, you may have to do them in two different times if you're trying to wash a lot. But we're going to be seeing which one gets the whitest and the cleanest. We got them both down in there good. Now we're just going to let them sit there and boil just like that for about 10 minutes. And keep a close eye on them so they don't boil over. They're both going. Can you tell any difference in the color of the water already? There's that water. And here's this one. Now this is the borax. And this one is the super washing soda. We're going to let them keep going. Okay, so now we're going to take the one over here and rinse it in the sink in a colander with the washing soda. And y'all just look at how dirty that water is. So we'll just put us a little bit in this bowl. we can see the color change, the color of the water. Now this is very hot, but y'all look at that. There we go. Now we're going to set these over here. I'm going to put this in something different so you can actually see the color of the water. Now I'm just going to run cold water over them so I can get them to where I can touch them to rinse them out. Now that we've got these wrung out, we're going to put them back in the pot that we done them in. That way we don't get the ones mixed up that we done with the washing soda compared to the ones with the borax. So we're going to set this over here. We've got to save a little of this water to compare it. And now we're going to pour the rest and rinse. We'll let some cold water start running over that so I can touch them. I got all these done. And these are the ones with the borax. So these are the ones with the borax. These are the ones with the super washing soda. I'm going to put them out on the porch rail to dry because I want to dry them in the sun to see if that makes a difference. Okay, y'all, now that my water has cooled off, I put them in these clear cups so you could see it. This one right here is the one that we got off of the washing soda. And this is the one off of the borax. Look at the difference. So now we're waiting after they dry to see which ones actually look whiter. But to me, it looks like the washing soda done a better job than the borax. So now that we got them done and they're dry, let's look at them and see which one gave the best results. The super washing soda or the borax. Overall, I think the super washing soda won. What do y'all think? Comment down below. Now these are not brand new rags, they are older. But they're still in pretty good shape to use, so we don't want to throw them out. So we're using the technique of boiling our washcloths to see which one gives the best results, the borax or the washing soda. In my opinion, I think this one won. What do y'all think? Comment down below and let us know. Do you know any other products that I could give this a try with? If you do, comment down below and I'll make a video on which product to use. If you have any other ideas that we could try. Well, I hope y'all like this video on this experiment, this test I guess you'd say, on which one cleans our washcloths the best, using our granny's technique from years ago. If you like our video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Hit the like button and subscribe if you hadn't already. Thanks for watching.